Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something truly special to share with you. We're diving into some of the most amazing modern technologies that are reshaping our world. Stick around, because you're not going to want to miss a single moment. If you're planning to watch this video till the end, hit the comments and type yes.
Don't forget to subscribe to Thin Hive for more fascinating content on modern technologies and food processing videos. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest innovations.
The stainless steel pomegranate peeling machine is designed for speed, efficiency, and simplicity, allowing for quick and safe peeling of pomegranates. It is equipped with adjustable components to accommodate different pomegranate sizes, ensuring versatility in its operation.
Automation technology has come a long way, and the incredible machines that we see today are often designed by teams of engineers and industrial designers. This modern technology machinery is designed to efficiently separate and export fruit, while also aiding in quick product packaging. The system uses advanced sorting and separation techniques to ensure each piece of fruit is categorized according to size, color, or ripeness, allowing for precise quality control.
The fruits you commonly see at large convenience stores are often peeled by specialized machines, which simplify the process and ensure uniform results. Pineapple peeling, in particular, requires high dexterity due to the fruit's tough outer skin and intricate shape. However, this machine is designed to make pineapple peeling incredibly easy, reducing the need for manual labor and skill.
The Rivoara Group in Italy has opted for the latest and most efficient cherry sorting and grading technology from Unitech. This advanced system is designed to handle cherries with precision.
A powerful and robust fruit juicer is perfect for extracting fresh pomegranate juice. This type of juicer is designed to handle tough fruits like pomegranates, extracting juice efficiently while separating the seeds and pulp. It's not only efficient, but also compact and convenient, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen.
The manual tabletop cucumber slicer is designed to quickly cut cucumbers into evenly sized pieces, providing a simple and effective solution for slicing cucumbers in one swift motion. The MMIC 150 can slice cucumbers into even slices or chunks.
The wing paddle washing machine offers an intensive cleaning solution for floating vegetables like green beans and spinach. This machine uses immersion and gentle paddling to ensure thorough cleaning, even for delicate vegetables.
This cutting machine makes everything sweet and perfect. Just look at how amazing it is, working so smoothly and efficiently. It slices through the material with precision.
The cherry processing line with compact SFS. 2 X12 conveyor belts is designed for efficient handling and processing of cherries. This setup uses a series of conveyor belts to streamline the flow of cherries through the production process. The 2 X12 conveyor system allows for parallel processing, increasing throughput and enabling different stages of the production. The cherry processing line with compact SFS. 2 X12 conveyor belts is designed for efficient handling and processing of cherries. This processing plant features a drum-tight tipping bin designed for delicate yet efficient feeding, even with large product volumes. It carefully tips and feeds products into the production line, preventing damage while maintaining a steady flow. Helping to maintain high accuracy in product sorting and grading.
The process begins with oranges moving along a conveyor belt where they are sorted and graded for quality. This ensures that only the best oranges are selected for packing. Next, the oranges are carefully placed into crates, designed to protect them during transportation.
This robotic solution is designed for automated avocado processing, providing a complete and efficient process for handling avocados. The robot performs a series of individual steps, including cutting the avocados in half.
The processing line uses cameras and sensors to detect the color of each item. This allows it to automatically sort products into categories based on color, ensuring consistency in the final output. The line includes mechanisms to measure the diameter of each product, sorting them according to their size. This is especially useful for fruits and vegetables, where size uniformity is important. The system features precision scales that measure the weight of each item.
The mango and avocado sorting line is designed to sort these fruits based on their ripeness, using an automatic hardness measurement system. This advanced technology allows for precise sorting, ensuring that only fruits with the desired level of ripeness are selected. The hardness measurement system works by assessing the firmness of each mango or avocado as they pass through the sorting line.
The MODB DF24 is designed to handle strawberries with the utmost care, ensuring minimal damage during processing. It performs 3 critical steps in sequence to prepare strawberries for further processing or packaging. Over time, the process of making flatbread has evolved. Incorporating new technologies, this fully automatic meat slicing machine can slice the most delicious and attractive pieces of meat with precision and consistency, ensuring that each slice is uniform in thickness and ready for grilling. Nothing compares to the deliciousness of grilled meat skewers at an outdoor BBQ party. With this meat slicing machine, preparing meat for skewers becomes quick and efficient. Here's how it's made.
Featuring a dual power supply for consistent performance. It has a continuously adjusting cycle flipping machine specifically for loading mini watermelons, ensuring they are properly positioned for the cleaning process. The line also includes a manually operated rubber roller loader for handling larger watermelons. Providing a gentle yet effective method of feeding them into the system. These components work together to ensure that both mini and full-sized watermelons are cleaned thoroughly without damage, making the conveyor line an efficient solution for watermelon processing.
Take a look at this incredible meat cutting machine. It saves time and operates perfectly, making meat processing a breeze. This advanced machine is designed to cut meat with precision and speed, significantly reducing the time required for manual cutting. What makes it even more impressive is its contribution to efficient packaging. The machine is designed to cut meat cleanly and consistently, allowing for quick and hygienic packaging. This not only speeds up the entire process, but also ensures that the meat is ready for distribution without compromising quality or safety.
The ideal factory for products with round or irregular shapes, like beefsteak tomatoes, pomegranates, grapefruits, papayas, elongated tomatoes, and mangoes, should have specialized equipment designed to handle these unique forms. This includes conveyor systems and sorting machines that can adapt to different shapes and sizes without damaging the products.
This modern sorting line features a comprehensive array of equipment designed to process a variety of delicate fruits, including peaches, apricots, and citrus fruits. It incorporates soaking channels, roller sorting tables, brushing machines, and compact SLS sorting machines to ensure a smooth and efficient workflow. The soaking channels are used to gently clean the fruits before they move to the roller sorting tables, where they are sorted based on size, shape, or quality. The brushing machines help remove any remaining debris or dirt, providing a gentle yet thorough cleaning.